Living in the 21st century, you might have often come across the word data analytics, right? And currently, it is the most buzzing terminology that you can hear in the world of data science. Now, for those of you who want to begin their journey in data analytics, then this is the right video for you. So, why don't you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for the video ahead because we're going to talk about what exactly is data analytics and where exactly it is needed, right? So, please stay tuned. Hi, this is Afreen Rahman, and let's discuss what is data analytics, right? Now, companies around the globe generate vast volumes of data daily, right? It can be in the file of log files, in web servers, transactional data, and various customer related data. And in addition to this, social media websites also generate enormous amount of data, right? Now, companies ideally need to use all of this generated data to derive, some kind of value out of it and make, impactful business decisions. And data analytics is used to derive this particular purpose, right? Now, data analytics is the process of exploring and analyzing any kind of large data set to find some hidden patterns, some unseen trends, and to discover certain kind of correlations between data, and then you derive valuable insights to make business predictions, right? It improves the speed and efficiency of your business. So business, the modern day business, use many modern tools and technologies to perform data analytics, and this is data analytics for beginners in a nutshell, right? Now, how exactly, what are the different ways in which you can use data analytics is: number one, improved decision making. So data analytics, it kind of eliminates all kind of guesswork and manual tasks, be it choosing the right content or planning marketing campaigns or developing products, right? So organizations can use insights that they gain from any kind of data analytics that they have done to make informed decisions, right? And this actually also helps them to get better outcomes and get better customer satisfaction, right? It leads to better customer service, right? Because it kind of lets you give better recommendations for your products and services to your customers, right? It allows you to tailor customer service according to their needs. Third is efficient operation, right? With the help of data analytics, you can streamline your processes, you can save money, you can boost your production, and with an improved understanding of what exactly your audience wants, you spend lesser time, kind of creating different kind of ads and content that, might not be in line with your audience's interest. And in the fourth, it is a very effective, it helps you in effective marketing. So data analytics gives you that valuable insight into how your campaigns are performing, right? This helps in fine tuning for optimal outcomes. So additionally, you can also find, potential customers who are most likely to interact with the campaign and convert them into leads, right? So this is, in short, in a nutshell, what exactly data analytics is and how it is used, right? So let us know in the comments if you found this video to be helpful. We will get more into data analytics in our further videos. So like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so every time there's a video out, you're the first one to get notified. Thank you.